This is a 2008 Chevrolet Aveo. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, a bed cover, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, privacy glass, a passenger side airbag, door reinforcement beams, rear seat child-proof door locks, and this vehicle has fewer than 2,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 34 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile is clearly a fuel-efficient choice. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Suburban Ford of Sterling Heights is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 40333 Van Dyke Avenue in Sterling Heights.